is so frustrating. I've been studying this chemistry all day, guys, and I still don't understand what it means.
Me neither. Let's just take a break.
Good idea. Come in.
Did I just hear someone talking about chemistry?
Ugh, all this talk about chem is giving me a migraine. I'm gonna take an aspirin. I just don't see why we need to know all this. I mean, it's not like we'll need this to use this in our real lives.
Oh my, how could you believe such a thing?
She's right. They just want to torture us. My friend is a business major, and they're actually learning useful things with real-life applications like the stock market and the economy. That has relevance outside the classroom.
Girl's got a point.
But guys, how could you believe such a thing? Certainly you must know that my friends, Brown and LeMay, are correct when they say chemistry is essential science. The things you're learning in class today are so important to your everyday life.
Really?
Chemistry is everywhere. We are all reaping the benefits of it right now. Let's see. Let me give you an example. How about that water bottle you're drinking, Lauren?
This one?
Mm-hmm. You're learning about redox reactions in the lab, right?
Something like that.
Yeah.
Well, in order to purify that water you're drinking, 3 main processes must occur. Filtration, chlorine treatment, and bacterial oxidation. Without purification, drinking water would make you sick. Also, I know you wouldn't enjoy that water as much if it wasn't cool. Am I right?
You're right.
Well, you can thank chemistry for that. Refrigerators rely on thermodynamics, which you're also learning about in class. Basically, they are powered by the continual cycle of endo and exothermic reactions. And of course, that plastic water bottle is a good example of chemistry. Plastics are polymers, long chains of atoms like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen that can be bonded together in almost an infinite number of ways. This gives plastic its immense variation in properties. I mean, let's just look at the different forms of plastic in this dorm room. We've got the water bottle, the calculator, the CD case, iPod, and I know I have to rely on my computer, TV, microwave, in everyday life. And Emily, how's your headache?
Oh, it's gone now. I took an aspirin.
Great. Well, so you might be able to blame chemistry for the headache. You could also thank it for relieving it. Aspirin is made up of 9 carbons, 8 hydrogens, and 4 oxygens. These atoms are arranged so that 6 of the carbon atoms link together to form a ring, and the other atoms all hang on the side. This shape and the electrical charges of the molecules give it the ability to stop fever and pain in the body. And Bridget, those cookies you're eating, can I see them?
Yeah, sure, you can have all you want. I bought tons of Girl Scout cookies.
Thanks, but I just want to see something. Yep, I was right. Those cookies are full of hydrogenated oil, which is a huge part in processing food, and a huge part in the average college student's diet. I bet it's a huge part in yours, too.
It is. I just eat them all the time.
Well,
But what do you mean by hydrogenated?
right. I thought you might ask that. It's a chemical process by which hydrogens are added to mono or polyunsaturated fats to reduce the number of double bonds. This increases the stability of the fat so there's less oxidation, and improves the shelf life and taste you guys like so much.
Oh, wow. I never realized chemistry was so important.
Me neither. Let's hit the book.
Yeah.